Now let us pass on to children. So example number 9. I will read out all of you see your example number 9 sum. Okay. What they have given here. So find the ratio. So what we have to find out? So ratio. Ratio is question mark. Find the ratio they are asking question mark. So in which y-axis they have given. Y-axis they have given children, but x-axis not given, not given. So that is equal to 0. Y-axis divides the right segment joining the point. So y-axis they have given joining the point. This is a y-axis. Y dash, x dash. So x dash, this is a 0. So y they have given the segment of 5 minus 6 and another point minus 1 and minus 4 they have given. Okay, so also find the point of intersection. So this point of intersection also we have to find out, that is x and y intersection. This is so in the problem they have given find the ratio. Ratio they have not given. This is m1, this is m1, this is m2. This is a p point, p, x and y. Okay, so that y-axis divides x-axis. Okay, y-axis points they have given, but here x-axis will become a 0. So what is the ratio you are taking? This is, assume it as k is to 1. This is k is to 1. Assume it as, assume ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು k value ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. Now use the section formula and find out. What is the section formula for x? X is equal to, you know, I taught you previous sum. What is m1 for x, respect of x, x2 plus m2 x1. Okay, this is the section formula, m1 plus m2. Now you go for which is the x1 and x2. Which is the x1 and x2? This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. You got it? Got it. Now m1 what we have taken the ratio k. x2 what is that x2? What is x2? x2 is minus 1 plus what is m2? 1. What is x1? What is x1 children? Observe, into 5. Substitute the values. What is m1 and m2? K plus 1. Okay, simplify. What is the x? X is equal to, what is that? Plus into minus k plus 1 into 5, 5. What is that? K plus 1. Got it children? Okay, go for y. Go for y. You take y. Y is equal to easy formula, section formula. See, substitute x2 as y2. So remember, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 children. Okay, so that is m1 plus m2. m1. Now substitute m1 as usual, you know k. What is y2? y2 is minus 4 plus what is m2? 1. You know already 1. What is y1? minus 6 by k plus 1. Substitute plus into minus 4 k plus into minus 6 by k plus 1. This is a y value. Actually y we don't require. Already they have given. So this is x and y. Now you have to find out the xy value. So now you have to find out the k value. So x is equal to 0 already I have given. Therefore x is equal to sorry. So minus k plus 5 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. K value we want by cross multiplication. Minus k plus 5. Look at the board of you. So minus k plus 1 into 0. K plus 1 into 0. That is minus k plus 5 is equal to 0. Anything if we multiply with the 0, that equal to 0 only. Now therefore, so here k is equal to minus, see here, minus k is equal to, this one come to right hand side minus 5. Minus minus cancel, k is equal to 5. You know the value now, 5. So now you go for x and y, substitute that one. What is x? Look at the board of x, y. X, y equals minus k plus 5 by k plus 1. This is x, comma. What is y? What is y, children? Minus 4k minus 6 by k plus 1 over. You know k value minus 5 plus 5 by 5 plus 1. Okay, children? Okay. So here minus 4 into 5 minus 6 by 5 plus 1. Simplify. Minus 5 plus 5 cancel. 0. 0 by 6 is equal to minus into plus, minus 20 minus 6 by 6. So that is 0 divided by 6 is 0. Here minus 26 by 6. 2 3s are 2 1s are 3. So that is 0, comma 13 by 3. So this is the xy value. See, this is the way you have to calculate. Follow it, children. Follow it. Oh, so now the last time I am going to teach you 10. Example 10. So after this one, you go for the exercise. If you go for the exercise, you can solve all the sums. You try your level best. Later I am sending you notes. So if you make mistake, you correct it compared to your notes. Okay. So now the last sum is example 10. So go through it, all of you. Go through, children. So next area of triangle I am going to you, but that is under coordinate geometry, not the geometry. Coordinate geometry also another formula is there. So far you have learned about a distance formula and the section formula. Section formula nearly 5 to 6 sums I have solved. The same methodology we followed under the exercise. So I am going to send you notes also. You copy down the notes and also 21st onwards. So even on 21st, those who have written the notes very well. So come and take correction also. Okay, children, we will be here only morning. You come to the school one by one. You take correction also. If there is any mistake, I will correct it and send you. Okay, till the school opens. Okay, complete your notes. Okay, so the next sum is example 10. See here, there are 4 vertices they have given. That may be parallelograms. Okay, parallelograms. Here you see here, I am writing one parallelogram. Okay, what are the points they have given? If the points A, this is A, B, C, D. So look at the points. So 6, 1. Another one is 8, 2. Another one is 9, 4. Okay, follow children. Another one is what they have given P, 3. P, 3 they have given, and also 2 diagonals they have given. 2 diagonals are intersect at the point O. But sign indicates equidistance, children. This sign indicates equidistance. You have to find out this one as x and y. You have to find out. You have to find out x and y. Okay, children. Now let us pass on to that one. See, you can take D, B, or you can take A and C. So midpoint is this one. The equidistance is 1:1. This one 1:1. I told you when you have a segment in equidistance of 1:1, then the m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 1. By that time, the remaining terms you have to write. So 1 is there, you need not write once again. That formula also I taught it in the beginning itself. That is x is equal to x2 plus x1 by m1 plus m2. Another one, y is equal to y2 plus y1 by m1 plus m2. So that formula you apply and you calculate. Okay, let us pass on to that one. So now all of you look at the board. There are two diagonals are there, bisect each other. By andre ಏನು equal ಆಗಿ ಅದು intersect ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು 1:1. m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 1. No need to write at all. Now let us pass on to how to find out the points. Here, what is that? We have taken AC. See, the formula is x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Now this you have to find out. AC, you go for AC. AC is equal to, what are the find x1, y1. What is the other one, children? Other one x2, y2. Find out the points. This xy you are getting. xy, x comma y. So now substitute. What is x2, children? What is x2? 9. 9 plus. What is x1? 6 by 2. Comma. What is y2? What is y2? y2 is 4. What is y1? 1 by 2. So that is 9 plus 6, 15 by 2. Another 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. This is x and y AC. AC diagonal AC. Follow it, children. So now see, look at the board. See here, AC is the diagonal. This m1 and m2 is 1:1. That's why we have not mentioned in the formula. So now we have taken x1, y1, x2, y2. So here substitute. Formula is x2 plus x1, y2 plus y1 by 2 by 2. So you substitute these are the quantities you got it. Another diagonal. What is another diagonal? DB is there. DB once again x and y. X and y. What is DB? They have given. So you see the points once again. DB also we have to take. Okay. Want to stop now. Now another point DB, children. Another diagonal. You know one diagonal is very easy. See, look at the board. One diagonal is very easy. But here numbers only you got into. You found the point x and y. Understand that intersection point. You go for another diagonal D and B. D and B. But here one unknown P is there. So we have to find out the value of P. It is very easy. No need to worry at all. Xx if you take, you are getting. I will teach you. Okay. So here in this one x1, y1. This is what is this, children? x2, y2. This easy. You found. This is also very easy. The same formula you find out. What is the formula? x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Because m1 and m2 we have not taken because the ratio is 1:1. That is why I have not taken. By plus m1 plus m2 I have taken 1 plus 1 2. I have not written that letters. That's all. Okay, now you substitute, children. What is x2? Take diagonal db. What is x2? 8. 8, children. 8. Very good. Very good. What is x1? P by 2. Okay, this is a x place. This is a x place. This is y place. What is y? What is y2? So y2 is 2 plus. What is y1 now? What is y1 now? See up. 3 by 2. See, finished. Finished. Very easy coordinate geometry. Okay. Now we cannot add 8p because in the center plus is there. 8 plus p, 8p. Wrong. Wrong. Okay, that is a letter. This is a number. You cannot add it. So that is, as it is 8 plus p, you write down by 2. So here 2 plus 3, 5 because both are numbers. That is 5 by 2. Follow, children. So here what is x? This is x, this is y. This is x, this is y. But we don't know the value. Equate x and x. This diagonal take x value. This diagonal also take x value. Therefore 15 by, this is over. 15 by 2 is equal to 8 plus p by 2. By cross multiplication, what do you get? What do you get? 2 into 8 plus p, children, is equal to 15 into 2, 30. 30. So here 2 into 8, 16. 8 to the 16 plus 2p is equal to 30. Is equal to 30. Follow, children. Here I equated x in one diagonal, another diagonal also have taken x. Because unknown variable is there, we have to find out the value. See now, by cross multiplication, 2 into 8 plus p is equal to 15 into 2, 30. Then the 16 shifted to right hand side. So that is 2p is equal to 30. Shift to plus 16 becoming minus 16. So here 2p is equal to, what is the value? 14. 14. Therefore p is equal to 14 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. P is equal to 7. This is what we want. This is what we want. Perfect. So this is the way you have to solve the problem under coordinate geometry. Okay. So all of you write down the notes and solve the problems yourself, so you can learn something. Otherwise it is all of you submit your notes on Monday, all mathematics, so algebra, arithmetic and geometry. 3 also submit on Monday. So what are the notes is that you are supposed to submit, otherwise you are not getting any internal marks and we are not considering your work. Okay, all of you concentrate in your work, you try your level best, and those who have not taken the books, so you are supposed to take shortly, you are getting a classes. So we are calling you back to the school. So by the time we are checking out, if you not write very neatly, I will tear all the paper. Once again, I will make you to write in the school itself. That is why all of you take the class neatly. You write and bring it to us. Okay, children? Okay, bye bye. The next topic is area of triangle under coordinate geometry. Only one is there, so it will be completed shortly. You are getting a test also. This is the portion for your test. Next chapter I am going to take trigonometry. Trigonometry also very easy. The name indicates like that, but I will teach you very well. So maybe you are coming to the school also by the time. I hope, I am wishing you all come to the school and learn that one. If it is not possible online, I am